subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. After teasing for the past few days, Xiaomi India has finally launched the Redmi 9 Power in India. As expected, this smartphone is a tweaked version of the Redmi Note 9 4G that debuted in China last month. Let us take a look at the specs, features, and price of this handset. Redmi 9 Power specifications and features. The new Redmi branded smartphone sports a 6.53-inch IPS LCD panel on the front with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, FHD+, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and a typical brightness level of 400 nits. The display also includes a dewdrop notch at the top for an 8MP selfie camera. Moreover, the screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and it is also certified by Newfoundland for low blue light emission, reading mode. The polycarbonate rear panel of the phone flaunts a large vertically aligned Redmi branding and a quad camera setup consisting of a 48MP primary sensor, an 8MP, 120 field of view, ultra-wide unit, a 2MP macro shooter, and a 2MP depth sensor. Whereas, the power key with an embedded fingerprint sensor and the volume rocker are located on the right side, a secondary microphone hole, and finally, the bottom includes a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, high-res audio, a primary microphone hole, and a speaker grill. Powering the device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with 4G LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB, UFS 2.1/128GB, UFS 2.2, internal storage. The handset is backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with support for 18 watts fast charging. But interestingly, the company ships the phone with a 22.5 watts fast charger and it claims the battery to last for up to 3 years, thanks to ELB, Enhanced Lifespan Battery, technology. Other features of this budget smartphone include 4G LTE, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GNSS, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, compass, splash-proof nano coating, rubberized port, auto cleaning, only primary, stereo speakers, and MIUI 12 based on Android 10. Last but not least, the Redmi 9 Power measures 162.3 by 77.3 by 9.6mm in dimensions, weighs 198 grams, and comes in 4 colors, namely Mighty Black, Blazing Blue, Electric Green, and Fiery Red. Redmi 9 Power pricing and availability. Xiaomi has priced the Redmi 9 Power at 10,999 for the 4GB plus 64GB variant and 11,999 for the higher 4GB plus 128GB version. The first sale for the phone is scheduled for December 22 at 12 p.m. It can be purchased from either Amazon India, Mi.com, or Mi Home stores. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.